The reaction between acid and calcium carbonate can be graphically represented. I want to compare the reaction of acid with calcium carbonate lumps and the calcium carbonate powder. The graph represented with purple color, this is the representation of the reaction of acid with calcium carbonate powder. Calcium carbonate powder has a larger surface area, and so at the start of the reaction, the gradient is steeper. As you can see, the gradient is steeper at the start of the reaction, and so at the end of the reaction, the graph flattens out at point P. Likewise, the graph represented with yellow color shows the reaction of acid with calcium carbonate lumps. These represent small surface area of the reactant, and so the gradient is less steeper at the beginning, but at the end of the reaction, the line join together. The two graphs join together at point P, indicating that the reaction will produce the same volume if all of the reactant factors are the same. What are these reactant factors? The reactant factors can be the volume of acid used in both experiments. If the same volume of acid is used for the two experiments, the gas produced will be the same in both cases. Likewise, if the mass of calcium carbonate is constant from the beginning of the experiment and to the end of the experiment, in both cases, then the same volume of gas will be produced. If one of the factors is halved, the volume produced will be halved as much. And if one of the factors is doubled, the volume produced will be doubled as much. Thank you for listening.